Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature some beautiful hair transformations. So we start off with someone who has curly hair. The stylist has cut the hair. Looks like she is going to be getting some color with this transformation as well. Wow, absolutely beautiful. Love the bold red hair coloring, nice burgundy tone. And if you guys do want to see more curly haircut transformations, let me know in the comments below, and we will be featuring more curly haircut ideas. So she did end up getting bangs in the front, and this is just a great curly shaggy cut, perfect for if you want to add some volume to your curly natural texture. So moving on, we see another major hair transformation. Looks like the stylist is going to be doing a pixie cut with this one. So this transformation features a beautiful pixie undercut, gorgeous design detailing, and blonde hair at the top portion of the head. Next up, we see someone with very long hair. Looks like she is getting a mid-length haircut. And then we see this beautiful blunt blonde bob. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these haircut ideas, don't forget to like this video, and of course be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. And if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.